tech was built to make compliance easier. Contract automation, due diligence checks, litigation analytics, etc. But what happens when these legal tech softwares or tools are purposed for attacks instead of defenses? Because there is a very quiet shift happening in the dark web. Modern legal technology systems are built to extract structure from complexity. They map corporate relationships, they track litigation patterns, and they surface compliance weaknesses where it is available. And for legitimate businesses that are using these legal tech tools, this helps them with their efficiency. It helps them curb these legal gaps, and it even helps the legal teams be more efficient in their daily jobs or in their daily tasks within a particular organization, wherever it is that they find themselves. But to those with malicious intent, this creates a tremendous opportunity for them because they can use these legal tech tools as a weapon of attack against unsuspecting businesses. Let me tell you how. In underground marketplaces and forums, services are emerging that resemble a shadow version of these legal tech tools, where they can easily, again, map inconsistencies in your contracts, for instance, where your corporate filings are scraped and indexed, even where regulatory enforcement trends are monitored to look at or to see the companies that are being penalized and for what particular reason. Now, on the surface of it, all of these sound like good things, which on the surface they are, but in the hands of malicious people, they can be used to target unsuspecting companies for either extortion campaigns or coordinated harassment. Let's say, for instance, now your company has been penalized by the federal government. If these weaponized legal tools are used for that particular situation and your company is found to be wanted, they can use that to harass you, even defame the name of your company, and generally put you into a deeper mess than you actually are. But again, it's all about the public's perception of what it is that your company is undergoing or whatever problems it is that your company is currently faced with. Because at the end of the day, it's not like these malicious things or tools or persons understand the law. No, they simply understand leverage and how to incite panic amongst unsuspecting or unknowing founders or startups. Legal risk used to be reactive. Let's say a company makes a mistake, the company has had sufficient time to curb whatever mistake it is or the effects or consequences of that mistake. But now, with the legal tech tools that we have available to us now, a company's activity can actively be mapped out. And so if a company makes such a mistake, it immediately automatically becomes public knowledge before even the company has the time to rectify whatever damages it. Sometimes before even the founders themselves are even aware. Let's say the thing happened in the night. Before the next morning, it's all over the news, right? Such an incident can be used to twist the story in such a way that the public perception of that company ceases to exist in the eyes of the customer. And so looking forward, we can see that the distinction between, compliance and vulnerability mapping will narrow. So as a forward-looking founder, this means that the legal hygiene of your enterprise is not merely just about satisfying your stakeholders now. No, it's about, strategic resilience in the market that you operate in so that you will not fall victim of weaponized legal technology. And that's it for today, guys. Another episode of The Back End Brief.